Hello, darlings. Today, I want to make a video about those cables, which might be one of the most important videos I'm going to make, because these cables are okay if used properly and safely, and there's only one way for you to do that, which means when you plug this into your charger, make sure that you're using all three at the same time. So you're recharging your phone, you've got one plugged into your fan, and the other one plugged into your light. That is the only safe way to use these cables. And if you do have them, that's how I want you to use them, okay? Now, if you're just going to use these cables just for one or two items, do not use them. The reason being is because these are not earthed off. Therefore, you have exposed live wires, and that's not good. Because if you touch your arm while you've got this plugged into your power station while you're charging your iPhone, you will get an electric shock. That happened to me 2 nights ago. And even though it was just a little tap like that, I couldn't believe how my whole arm was in excruciating pain for the night. Then, this morning, stupid me didn't learn from that, did I? So I plugged this into my power station to recharge my phone. So I'm recharging my iPhone, which was on my bed. So that leaves 2 live wires. I go into the bathroom and I smell the smoke, and I'm like, what the hell? So I quickly go back into my bedroom, and there's smoke, a little bit of smoke coming off the blanket, and I realized it was this. So I quickly grabbed them and unconnected everything. And let me show you this cable. See what I mean? Now, the point that I'm making is, let's just say, hypothetically, I plug this into my charger or my power station, and I plug this into my iPhone, and then let's just say I had one out for half an hour or so. I would have come back home to my home being caught on fire. This is why I'm making this review now and this video now before I make any other videos, because it's so important, because these are popular. And I have noticed that the manufacturer of those cables and the companies who sell them do not give people a warning. They do not say use this way to safely because these are live wires. There's no warning. That's why I'm making this video now, to educate you so you don't get injured, killed, or your home or property being caught on fire by one of these live cables, because they're not earthed off. Now, there are other cables with multiple cables. It's not just 3, they have about 10 or so. I do not have one of them, so I do not know if they are earthed off or not. But if they're not and they're like this, well, they are very dangerous, and I do not recommend them at all. So please, when you're choosing and buying cables for your iPhone and other USB products, please make sure before you buy them that they are safe and earthed off. So if you buy these, I do recommend them only when you use all 3 of them together at the same time. Do not use just one or two at the same time, because if you leave one or two wires exposed, that is very dangerous. So that's my video for today, and this is why I made this video, is to tell you, please, if I'm not saying don't use these cables, I'm saying if you do use them with all of the products together, meaning a fan, phone and light. And if you're not going to use all three at the same time, do not use this at all. Okay, so that's my video for today, because I thought it was important for me to let you know that, because a lot of people don't know. I did not realize this until now. And that's when I realized, I better make a video about this, just in case. But the thing is, from now on, the manufacturer and the companies who sell these cables should, from now on, advertise if they are safe or not. They should come with the warning. And I have looked everywhere and I have not seen any warnings of those cables. So if you do buy a cable, make sure they are earthed off. Okay? So thanks for joining me for today's video. I'm glad to see you all again. I hope you're all well out there and having a good time today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, to support me, and please give my videos a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, and remember, be careful. Love you. Bye bye.